Guys, so I'm jumping on today because I know I've mentioned this app before. Hey, I'm just gonna fix my screen here a little bit, make sure I'm looking like I'm not my chin isn't cut off or something. I know I've mentioned this app before, but it's the Dosh app, and you can just download it onto your phone. And okay, so it came out. Well, I don't know when it actually came out, but I know I wrote a post about it back in 2018. And when it first started, you linked up a credit card to it, and then you had like your power offers, which was like your top 5 stores that you would go to the most. And they would give you like an extra percentage cash back once you visited those stores and used your credit card. And as long as the credit card was linked to the app, you didn't have to do anything else. The money was just automatically put into your account. So it was like a coupon without even knowing you were getting a coupon, or a discount without even knowing you were getting a discount. And one of the reasons why I loved it initially was because of the 5 power offers. Now, then it changed and the power offers went away. But what came on was cash back for Walmart grocery pickup. And I know I've talked about using the Walmart grocery pickup service before. And if you are a user of it, then you have to sign up for this app. I'll walk you through it and show you more in just a minute. But every single time I go online, well, not even, well, I just go on the Walmart app and I put in my grocery order. And once I check out, then a little notification pops up that says, you just earned $2.34. Open up the Dosh app and it will be added to your account. Well, I've been doing this weekly since August, I think. I think it was around August when the Walmart grocery percent back deal showed up on Dosh. I hope it's not Dosh. I'm just calling it Dosh. Anyway, so since August I have $32. Oh, sorry, I was gonna. Wow, that was a dramatic sneeze on live TV. Lucky you. Anyway, so I have $32.34 in my Dash uh, account right now. Like, can you see that up close so you know I'm not lying? $32.34. And that's since I've been using it since August. Now, there is a minimum payout of $25. So once you reach $25, you can pay out either through PayPal, Venmo, or direct deposit into your bank. I am, and I don't think they have gift card offers. I think this is just strictly cash back. But I'm going to use this all the way up until Christmas, and then I'm going to hopefully I'll make it to $50 by Christmas, and then I'm going to get a $50 gift card for one of my family members, and then that's one of my Christmas gifts that's paid for just by using this app. So, what do you do? Again, you can just go to your app store, type in Dosh, Dosh. Now, if they ask you for a referral, I would love it if you used mine. It's MAURAW6. I do have that, or you can actually just click on the link that should be above me right now under the video description that will show you that you can click on that. And then once you load your card, you automatically earn $1 just by loading your card. And then you need to start browsing through and seeing the offers. So I'm going to kind of show you here. I know there's a bad glare. Maybe I should just read them to you. But like Burger King is one of my favorites because if I do eat out, most often or more often than not, I choose Burger King because they are the only fast food place that has veggie burgers. And since I eat mostly vegetarian, I love the Impossible Whoppers. If you haven't tried them, they're like really good. They're like, I think, the best veggie burger. They might be the best veggie burger I've ever had. That doesn't mean they're the best on the planet, but that is my go-to. Like my youngest still likes Happy Meals, so now we make two stops. We go to McDonald's for Happy Meals, and we take Mama to Burger King so she can get her Impossible Whopper. And every time I do that, I get 2% cash back on my order. And 2% isn't, it may not seem like a lot, but again, if you're just using this app through daily life, it all starts adding up. And then if you wait 6 months, then you've got a Christmas gift paid for. And that's my plan. So Dunkin' Donuts right now, there's a 4% cash back. All Walmart grocery pickup service is 2% cash back. Now, this I've also talked about in the past the app called Fetch, Fetch. And Fetch is also supposed to work for Walmart grocery pickup. And I tried using it and I tried persevering, and if you have gotten it to work for you, I would love for you to leave a comment and tell me that you got it to finally work for you. But I just can't seem to get the receipts, the e-receipts, to work on Fetch. Like every time I hit search for my receipts, it just goes and goes and goes and goes and goes, and then nothing ever shows up. Now, I have contacted support about that, and they say, well, just delete the app and reinstall it. Well, I kind of don't want to delete the app and reinstall it every week. And now that I have found that Dosh gives me cash back, that I'm going to use this. So there's also 2% off Office Depot, 4% off PetSmart. And again, these are, some of them are online offers, which means you have to shop through the app. Like if I was going to go to Office Depot right now, I would have to click here first, and um then there's like another page where you click shop and you get your 2% back. But not all offers are online. It does tell you. Some will say online, some will say in-store offer, like the Dunkin' Donuts offer is in-store only. So that means once you pay with your credit card at Dunkin' Donuts, you're going to see the cash back show up on this app. Staples is online. Any Walmart.com online offer doesn't even have to be grocery, but they do have like a separate thing here just for Walmart.com. So it doesn't have to be a grocery pickup service. It could just be anything you're ordering online. And whether you're picking it up at the store or having it delivered to your house, it doesn't matter. You're going to get that 2% cash back. They also have other deals when you're shopping online. Oh, I guess Walmart, depending on the category, you can get up to 10% cash back. So, and that's just for the online. Walmart.com, not the grocery deal, just Walmart.com. And they have always have featured offers flashing through the top. And then they have the new ones that have just been added, and they change a lot. And I think they're really pushing to get, oh, so Walmart, it's up to 10% off, and you can only use it twice. So that's a special new thing. So if you're shopping for Christmas and you want to get some toys at Walmart, order them online through this. And then you can get up to 10% off. I don't know what the up to is. That means certain categories in the store. So I don't know what the highest cashback rate is. You know, like what item would be the highest cashback rate, but you never know. So before you go into Walmart, you might just want to shop online and use this instead. There's also, depending on where you live, there'll be a map showing you some special deals that is near you. So they have the 4% back on PetSmart. If you are looking to get a BJ's membership, currently they're giving you $40 back on that membership. That's got to be like almost free. I mean, I used to have a BJ's membership through my husband's old job, and then once he left it, I decided I didn't use it enough. And so we didn't pay for it without the discount through his job. But if you're signing up, $40 off could like that might mean a whole year free. So if you're looking at that, you might look at this app. They also have travel offers. If you're willing to fly or go on a vacation, because tourism is suffering terribly right now because of the pandemic. But if you're going to a place where there's low cases and it doesn't matter that you come home and you have to quarantine for 2 weeks, now might be a great time actually to travel. I say that with caution, big time caution. But if you aren't concerned about yourself getting COVID, then maybe now's the time to get a really sweet deal on a vacation. And then the rest of this is just kind of goes through other offers. So you scan through it. Your wallet, if you push on your wallet, there's an option at the very bottom. And if you push on the wallet button, that just tells you when you've made money. Then you can refer your friends. If you heard it from me today and you want to tell one of your friends about it and say, "Hey, you got to get this app. You earn $10. That's pretty awesome." And then there's like an activity summary from every time I've deposited cash back from Walmart. So I just want to basically show you today that, hang on, I'm just trying to get to the top of the screen here. Dosh, Dosh. Sorry for the glare. Sorry for going backwards on this video. Sorry for the sneeze earlier. It's real life. I'm a real person. That's all there is to it. So get this app, start using it on your groceries, and then glance through it and see how you're going to use it for Christmas shopping this year. And then save up money and go on a date with your spouse or significant other, or get a gift card or something and just check a Christmas gift off your list because you're using this app. If you have questions on this, if you sign up for it, if you have problems, if you like it, you hate it, please leave a comment and I will be sure to answer your questions. And plus, I kind of want feedback on what other people think. And I'm also very curious if anyone has been successful using Fetch, Fetch, with their Walmart grocery pickup. And if you have, I'd love to hear about your experience because I think I've given up. But unless I hear a positive like testimony from someone that's used it, I might change my mind. So anyway, that's my money saving tip for the day. I hope you are enjoying your day wherever you're at. It is nice and sunny here in upstate New York. And the fall foliage is pretty much at its peak, and I love it. And I hope that you are enjoying your day, and I'm gonna figure out how to stop this live. Facebook just changed everything, by the way. So, yeah, I don't want to share. Oh, found it. Okay, guys, it's been awkward. Enough for today. So, see you next time.